What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background in Google Meet video call. So let's get right into it. Select New Meeting and press on Start an Instant Meeting. Go to the Apply Visual Effects option, and here on the right side, you'll see backgrounds that you can use instantly. You can also add your own background by going to the plus symbol box and selecting one of your images. You can also get to the backgrounds option by going to the three dots down here and pressing on Apply Visual Effects. As you can see, the backgrounds option appears again. Choose whatever option is easier for you, select or upload your background, and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. How to change background in Google Meet video call. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.